Looking for the best wood CNC router machine in 2026? In this video, we review the top 5 best wood CNC router machine available in the market and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. The RDDSPON Wood Router Engraving Machine is a versatile DIY CNC tool designed for hobbyists, makers, and small workshop projects. Featuring a spacious 300 by 300 mm working area and available with 2.5W or 7W optical power laser options, it handles wood engraving, acrylic cutting, leather marking, and light milling with impressive precision. Its compact design makes assembly straightforward, while the stable frame ensures consistent carving results. The machine supports creative customization for signs, crafts, and personalized gifts. Easy-to-use software and reliable performance make it suitable for both beginners and experienced users seeking an affordable, multifunctional CNC laser engraver for home or workshop use. Number 4. The 3018/3018 Pro/3018 Pro Max GRBL CNC router is an excellent entry-level machine for DIY enthusiasts, makers, and hobbyists. With a 30 by 18 by 4.5 cm working area and precise 3-axis control, it is ideal for engraving wood, PCB boards, PVC, acrylic, and soft materials. GRBL compatibility ensures smooth operation and wide software support, while optional laser engraving expands its creative possibilities. The sturdy frame delivers reliable accuracy for detailed projects, and assembly is straightforward for beginners. Offering impressive versatility, precision, and value, this CNC router is a smart choice for home workshops and small-scale manufacturing projects. Number 3. The RDDSPON Laser Engraver is a powerful CNC engraving and cutting machine available with 12W and 22W optical power options. It delivers fast, precise engraving on wood, acrylic, leather, stainless steel, and other materials. The sturdy frame ensures stable operation, while its user-friendly design makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced makers. Ideal for DIY crafts, custom gifts, and small business projects, this engraver combines versatility, accuracy, and reliable performance. It offers excellent value for anyone seeking professional quality laser engraving at home. Number 2. The Tutre's TTC450 Pro CNC machine is a high-performance 4-axis CNC router built for precision engraving, cutting, and milling. Compatible with GRBL control, it supports wood, acrylic, plastics, and light metal machining, making it ideal for hobbyists and professional makers alike. The sturdy construction minimizes vibration, ensuring accurate and consistent results on complex projects. Its compatibility with laser engraving modules adds extra versatility for creative applications. Easy assembly, reliable motion control, and a spacious working area make the TTC450 Pro an excellent investment for DIY workshops, custom fabrication, and small-scale production with professional quality performance. Number 1. The Bulkman 3D Oxman CNC Router Kit is a premium 4-axis machine built for precision and durability. Featuring SFU 1610 ball screws and dual linear rails, it delivers smooth, accurate motion for cutting and engraving metal, wood, acrylic, and other materials. Its rigid frame minimizes vibration, ensuring clean, professional quality results. Ideal for advanced hobbyists, makers, and small workshops, the Oxman offers excellent stability, expandability, and reliable performance. It is a powerful CNC solution for demanding fabrication, prototyping, and custom manufacturing projects.